Hello friends, my name is Baljeet Singh and today I would like to talk about my different kinds of pivot tables which I made in the Excel sheet. There is I have different kinds of data in the Excel sheet. There is three different kinds of chain, and every chain has a 3000 number of data, and as well in the countries there are three countries, and we have a 3000 number of countries in each. So now I would like to talk about how we can make a line pivot in this Excel sheet. And to create a line pivot, first we have to go to the insert and click on the pivot table. When we click on the pivot table, it's look like that, and this is the table range, and we have to click the OK, and it shows like that. For the line pivot, we have to select the chain in columns, rows in months, and value and sum of sales in the values. Yeah, when we select these kinds of things, it shows like that. These are all data, and when we select these kind of things, then we have to select the table. So again we have to go to the insert, and we have to click on the pie pivot, and when we click on the pie charts, and we can select the line pivot from there. It shows like that, and click OK. When we click OK, it shows like that, and it shows like that, and we can remove the when we click on the this one, we can there is no legend and anything. Now we have to create the category pivot. For category pivot, again we have to go to the insert and click on the pie pivot, and for category pivot we have to select the for category pivot we have to select the column in chain in columns and categories in the rows, and sum of sales and values. When we select these kinds of things, we have to select the chart for this category pivot. So we have to go to the insert, and we can select the pie chart, and we can select the bar chart from there, and click OK. For this table we have to we can change the name from there. We can select the down from there, and we can edit any name is a category pivot, and enter. And then we can if we want to select the if we want to go to the pivot table analyze, we can change the name from there is a category pivot. Yeah, now we have to create a new again pie chart, pie pivot for the practice sheet final. So again we have to go to the insert value and click on the pie table, and when we go to the pie this pivot table, we can select the uh, sum of sales 2 times in a values, and chain in the rows, and sum of sales, and we can select the 2 sum of sales in the values. So in pie chart we can add the legends from there, and we can remove the legends. And if we can remove the pie chart title, and we can add the any title from there. And from when we select the this one, we can show this value in percentage. So we can go over there and we have to select the sum and click on the number format. When we can click the number format, we can select the percentage over there and can click the OK. When you click on OK, it shows like that. It shows the everything on the percentage. So again, now I have to create the manager pivot for this data. So again, we have to go to the insert table and we can click on the pivot table. And when we go to the manager pivot, we have to select the chain in columns, stage, and manager in the rows, and we click and we can collect the sum of sales in the values. We can show these kinds of things in there, but in manager we have to show the in the manager we have to show the status and states and the manager names over there. So for this one we have to select the bar chart. So we can go to the pivot charts and select the bar chart from there and click OK. It shows like that. Now is the time to create a business tables for these all things. So for business, first we have to depict the count of chain, like how we can have a how much we have a fashion direct and how much we have a H&M and how much next row. For this one we have to select the chain in rows and count of chains in values. So we can depict this all data over there. And also for the countries, and for countries we have to select the countries in rows and count of categories in values. And for the labels we have to select the, for categories we have to select the category in the rows and value of categories in the and category also in the values. Now is the time to how we can create a value loop in the each table. For this one, first we have to go to the data, and we have to select the data validation from there, and we have to select the list and push this one. For this one we have to select the all data, and click OK, and it shows like that. And for this one we have to create a we have to write a VLOOKUP and brackets, and then we have to select the area from where we can select the value. So we have to select this one, and we have to choose the whole area of this table. So we have to select this one, and now we have to select the column, which column we have to select to search. We select this one. We have to select the 4. You can see over there is a 1 2 3 4. We select the next look, and now we have to select the true value and bracket and enter. Now you can see there's a clear bridge over there, and it shows the clear bridge is 68 60 61. So you can select over there,